Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Tuesday, December 20th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. Weaker tone once again, really into those soybeans, down 16 cents on the day. You did close then below that 10.20 level that offered a lot of support here for the last couple weeks. So you got that close below it, and your next line of support is about 5 cents away at $10. So tomorrow I'll offer a big trade here on a technical side of things to see if it stays above that $10 to give it that range trade. But overall, you're just seeing some sellers come into this market after being active buyers in the soybean market, and also everything looking a little bit friendlier in South America. Brazil's doing good. Argentina getting those rains, forecasted to get those rains as well. And so with that, you're just bringing everything down. Now corn is kind of stuck in between soybeans and wheat at the time. Wheat being able to maintain itself right now because of the low price it's at, a little bit of a shorter supply in the US, a little bit of poor conditions here for winter wheat to start off. And so corn's really stuck in the middle between your steady trade in wheat and your lower trade into the soybean market, being down 3 cents on the day. Over into the meat markets, lower trade once again. Live cattle down 45 to 60 cents. Feeders down about $1. Lean hogs, the ones that actually finally broke, down 2.20 on the day on that front month. So you did see that finally come back down and find some selling pressure. Outside markets quiet once again, as it looks like you're kind of coming into the end of the year, fizzling out just a little bit, still having some strength here in the Dow market, but fighting against that 20,000 point mark, having some stiff resistance and really trying not to get too close to that. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is just any news out of South America. So you're coming here, taking about 40 cents off this soybean market the last couple days, but really it's all dependent on Argentina. They are limping from rain to rain. If they continue to get the rains, you will continue to see pressure in the soybean market. But if they start to dry out again, and it won't take long for them to dry out if they don't get those rains, that you will start to see those issues again. So a lot of sensitivity into the soybean market right now as you're really into that August time frame for Brazil to relate it to where we're at, and then really about that June time frame if you relate it for Argentina. So some important times for their growing seasons right now out there. Now everything's doing okay, but like I said, sensitive times for soybeans right now, and that's where you're coming off a little bit of pressure. Other than that, cattle market going to be dependent on some cash trade later on this week. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.